Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Avalanche tokens from Coinbase to KuCoin in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and KuCoin. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any verification steps. It's crucial for security and smooth transactions. Once you're logged in, start by opening your KuCoin account. Navigate to your wallet section and find your Avalanche (AVAX) address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Pro tip: always use the Avalanche network for AVAX transfers to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, switch to Coinbase. Go to your dashboard, select your AVAX balance, and click on the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. That's the one you just copied from KuCoin. Next, input the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Before you hit Confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. The transfer time can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your KuCoin account to see when the AVAX arrives. If it doesn't show up, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. Your Avalanche is now on KuCoin. This step is great for diversifying your holdings or accessing KuCoin's features. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.